Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial of RichGoon, your own trading bot platform. Today I am going to show you how to automate a TradingView strategy on a cTrader broker exchange. Let's connect with a cTrader broker exchange. First, switch the mode to Real. And select the cTrader demo from exchanges. Click on Connect cTrader account, and allow access to RichGoon from cTrader ID. Follow the same process that I showed you in the previous tutorial. Select your exchange from the accounts list. Now as our cTrader exchange is connected, head to Bots from the menu. Click on Create Bot. Give a name to your strategy. Select the exchange cTrader demo. Entering a unique label in cTrader is essential if you're using multiple bots with the same trading pair. Now, select the trading pair you want to automate. Make sure to choose the trading pair from the same broker that you're using. Now, click on Start Bot. As you can see, our bot is created successfully. Click on it to view the bot details. Now, click on TradingView Settings. Copy the alert message from the settings. Open your TradingView strategy. Here, I'm using the box strategy on GER40 index on a 1-minute time frame. It has a 100% of win rate. Now, to send alert signals from TradingView, let's create an alert. Choose your strategy as a condition, and select the same interval for accurate results. Now go to Message. Delete the default message, and paste the alert message we copied from our bot settings. Here, I'm choosing a fixed quantity, but you can leave it to default. It will sync from your strategy's order size. You can give this alert a name. Now go to Notifications and head over to the webhook URL. Now, copy the webhook URL from our bot settings and paste it in the TradingView alert. Now, click on Create. We have successfully set up an alert for our bot. Now, you are all set to receive signals from your strategy to your broker account. You can join our Discord server for the latest strategies and updates on our automation platform. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.